Hello, guys. Welcome to Iman Talks and another show of How Subscribed Are You? Today, I have a very special guest, Samrat Kakkar. Samrat, welcome to the show.
I
So, Samrat, you you are regional digital head at Mindshare. I know from past many years, one step at a time, you've been trying to build digital strategies for almost all the leading brands in India, right? And I think that everybody knows, but what would people really like to know is one thing which people don't know about you, apart from you being leading digital strategies for the leading brands in the country.
People who know me on WhatsApp, they know that I have a passion for biking. Okay, that's something which gives me a thrill. But something which people don't know about me, which is not there on WhatsApp, is the fact that I was lucky enough to go to FIFA World Cup in 2018, and after that, I discovered Russian vodkas, and I just can't, can't get it. Yeah, because that's a secret which is only in the house. Nobody knows about it. So yeah, that's something which I really enjoy.
Awesome. That reminds me, I have to give you some techniques and recipes of making Polish vodka,
Awesome.
which we will chat later after we have done with the recording. Cool. So, guys, now we are going to find out how subscribed Samrat is. So, Sam, tell us about how subscribed are you? You know, how many subscriptions do you have? Talk about few of them.
Yeah, actually, if you think about how subscribed I am, and actually I started thinking, I mean, when we started chatting about this recording, I think we all have been subscribed in certain aspects for the last few years. I think, the moment we started getting onto smartphones, there were applications, there was other subscriptions which were there. So I think if I step back and look at last few years, there is a fitness app which I'm subscribed to for last almost 4 years. Then in last recent years, I would say with the introduction of Netflix, Hotstars of the world, I think that became subscribe model. Okay, and these are subscriptions that you don't think about.
Yeah.
I think, but the most recent subscription, which actually I actually when I made that subscription and I thought about it, wow, this is nice, is actually my dog's food actually. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because I used to order through Amazon, and suddenly one day I noticed that they offer a 3 month subscription.
Mm-hmm.
So while the value benefit was I think 5 or 7%, but I was like, this is something which you run out of. You suddenly feel, oh man, where do I go and get the food for my dog right
Again,
now? And this is
yeah.
the ones, right? So this is a recent subscription which has really helped me. At least I've just put it there as a recurring thing for 6 months, and after 6 months, when I think about the renewal, yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, I've been subscribed for last few years on fitness. Then, like I said, these movie streamings or other streaming apps, and then the recent one is the dog food which I've subscribed to.
Super interesting. And if you were to pick up one of your favorite subscriptions out of all you have experienced or you experience right now, including the recent one about the dog food.
I think all of them are important to me
Mm-hmm.
because they were made because they help me address a certain utility. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't have to think about the fact that I need to, or this will get over and then I need to go and resubscribe, because there obviously all of us are going through a bit of an attention deficit and a smartphone overload, so to say. So at least if I can take away a few seconds of my life or minutes of my life, and I don't need to open the app just to order something, that's there for me. So, so all these subscriptions matter to me. That's the reason I continue with them.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, like I said, all of them are important for me.
Mm-hmm. Just one more question since you were talking about this. Apart from convenience, right? You know, saving the time and convenience, Sam. Do you think it adds to any kind of experience? I mean, have you experienced that, like some extra experience, or it helped you to find out a new product, like try out something new, or it has been fairly very convenient and very utility type of thing?
For me, it's the latter one. It's more about convenience and utility right now.
Mm-hmm.
Although I do keep on seeing some subscription models which are advertising,
Mm-hmm.
especially in recent time, in last I would say 10 months, ever since the pandemic broke out. And
Mm-hmm.
these subscription models are typically about ordering food regularly from a fine dining restaurant, because most of the fine dining restaurants
Yeah.
today. Then there are lots of gourmet home kitchens which have come up. So
Mm-hmm.
a lot of home bakers have started investing in delivering on these gourmet desserts, so to say. So
Mm-hmm.
they offer subscription. So yeah, I've been tempted to explore a couple of them, but haven't still clicked on the shop now button on, let's say, on one of these ads and say, okay, let's go ahead and try it.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. And I think, Sam, last question which I want to ask, and this is my favorite part. that one subscription which you really would like to see coming into Indian market? You can speak as an expert or you can speak as a
Yeah.
consumer. You can, have the dual hat. But what would that subscription be?
So I think I'll speak more from a consumer because I don't think so. I am an expert on the subscription side. I think that's where you are. You've been doing a lot of thinking. I still have to start that. Yeah, but from a consumer perspective, actually there are two. One, of course, is the fact that I think there is the entire subscription about buying mobile phones or smartphones in India that doesn't
Mhm.
exist. Okay, at US, that's how people buy. They just buy smartphones on subscription. So I would really want that to start happening in India. I think that will help us
Mhm.
subsidize the cost of buying smartphones. And Apple is a classic example. The moment they launch a phone, you end up spending anything upwards of $1,000 to buy a phone. The subscription, of
Seriously.
course, yeah, within US, it's much cheaper. So
Yeah.
that's one which is from a utility perspective. Yes, that's the one I would really want. I hope Apple launches that in India now that they have their own website and they're trying to launch their own stores now. The second one is more from a passion perspective. Um, so before vodka became something which I was passionate about, I was very passionate about single malts. Okay, in fact, I used to run a small whiskey tasting club amongst
Yeah.
friends, long. So I did a lot of R&D those days, and I realized that especially in UK, there are these subscription models which exist.
Mhm.
So I would hope that somebody in India launches it because subscription allows you to actually taste a wide variety of malts and
Mhm.
scotches from across the globe. So
Mhm.
these are the two ones which I'll be really looking forward to when they launch in India.
Super interesting. And by the way, I also write at the end of every year, like this prediction piece that what subscriptions might launch in India. And I had also written about this alcohol thing. But good news is that at least in Bombay, there is like a new startup called Tapped, I think. They are only into beer space, but every 15 days or frequency you choose, they send you like this taster kit. So you get to discover new flavors, new brews, new brands. And I really hope it comes into single malts and vodka so that we can enjoy.
No, something's good enough to start with. I really would. Link to. I would love to read about them and figure out.
Absolutely. Sam, thank you so much for taking out this time, coming on the show and telling about how subscribed you are.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.